don't wanna say I'm back, that's cliche. But it's cold way up here, and only so often I get away. But when I do, it's always special. Peace to King David, providing the mood. Yo, hey Marcus, where you been? I kinda miss your face. Seems like you been a little off in a weird space. Avoiding human contact a lot. On a cash plot, feeding life in a dead way. Wait, let it drop, never fail, just stumbled a bit. Admitted whips, chains and all of that shit could be the very death of this. Parallel to righteousness, still growing from a dark corner. All I ever wanted to do was be an ill performer. Set up for small treasures instead of staying solid. Gratitude is cool, but self-preservation is knowledge. Drunk many days, late with women that weren't worthy. Ashamed as the bed hit the wall, my neighbors heard me. Nervously passed the next day, barely wanting to speak. Hit the nod, moving expeditiously. Looking at my feet, plans to continue my education seem distant, cause my daily operations manifest as not efficient. Rebelled against tradition, leaned on self instead of religion. Hadn't done me any good in my humblest opinion, so I laugh when people talk Jesus, crucifix. I got bigger fish to grill, piece of the five that know the deal. Only built for chunky coops, cinematic loops, multifaceted living, a one-sided truth. Ooh, celebrations for the God, been here suffering. All good, that was the mainframe, light buffering. Wedding bells and burners, crumbs and fortresses, hiding under fear, stunt growth, train blunt smoke. Ride with the hazards on, straps on the back buckets. Haters squinting, but they women love it. All my pages deserve a court's finish. Execute y'all for idolizing false image. Seen rough nights where the numbers ain't touched right. Gotta head out, get more, or tough luck, right? Wading through frigid waters. Damaged niggas' daughters, hoping I ain't cursed minds on divine orders. Sanitize my hands as I aged and caught wisdom. That money calling, I got monetary autism. Different prism, clearly no plan for prison. I mean, I drank, but those bars closing hit different. Shit get wicked up here, trying to keep it holy. My brother's keeper, we might jump your ass on and only. Chasing the winter face on the rollie, whether from the jeweler or the just to catch the stoley. Hold me, better than friend me than try to fold me. Quiet persona, I clutch the musket rather boldly. Rifleman ill in the coffin, Chuck person clear the table off scraps as I put more work in. Slide behind the circuit breaker where the knots go. Huss holler supremacy branded through the lens of Morocco. Morocco, 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 Morocco.